We're gonna get to the box in a second. The cooler is in there. First, I just need to close this. Got the dogs out. We're gonna unbox, yes, yet another YETI product. The Tundra 75 Desert Tank. And designed in Texas, made in the Philippines. These little nerds over here. We're gonna unbox this. Let's get right into it. I have some ice back here too. I'm just gonna put the dog's food down here. You guys seem to like all the YETI videos, so we're keeping it going. As you can see, box. YETI shipping is pretty shitty. Really shitty. I feel like it was fine to leave this outside because it's fucking outdoor cooler anyway, so who cares? Built for the wild, YETI, whatever. This is gonna be nice and simple. This is how it just kind of peels off. Voila. Here we are. This is pretty nice. Just gonna slide this out of here and the cardboard. I got Desert Tan. I also got another bucket. We can peel this baby out of here. And I have some ice that I'm ready to throw in here. This is the big boy. This was about 480 bucks. Let's just call it 5 if you want to round up. Comes right off. There's not much to go over. Just kind of do a quality check. You have these molded lines. It's just, you know, for a $500 cooler, this stuff should be a little bit better. I'm really not here to trash YETI. Aside from their customer service, I ordered this like a month ago. It took forever to get it. I was supposed to have it June 3rd. It is Friday, June 17th. So I feel like I shouldn't even have to pay for this. But nonetheless, we will, because we're not scumbags. Tundra Owner's Kit. Check this out. If you are interested in getting one of these, I will say it does keep this stuff cool for a while. These scrapes and stuff on here, it's just my last video. A lot of you were the king crab, the smaller cooler. I think it's a 20 25, something like that. A lot of people were complaining that I caused the scratches and shit that were on it. I didn't. You can go back and check if you want. I don't really care either. I'm gonna beat the shit out of this thing. I'm just conveying to you what condition it's gonna come in, just in case you do care. If you're paying the amount of money you are, you really shouldn't be getting junk with like weird seals like this. I mean, it's just, I get it. It's plastic, you know, so it is what it is. But for 500 bucks, that's really not that much space. Let's get some ice, throw it in. When I say lots of ice, I mean a lot. This is for, I think they're, I don't know what these are, 8-pounders or not. 7-pounders. Get rid of this shit. This is cool. Nice little basket. Put some things we don't want to get wet but stay cold in here. Whatever that is. Just gonna dump all these bags. I need a knife. Should make things a little bit easier. Okay, so it's one 7-pounder. Right as I was saying, I didn't count all the bags, and I think we can just review the footage. I realized my phone not only fell off of my truck, but got a heat temperature warning. So I just put it on some ice, and we're good now. But here we are. Now that we have, I think, 7 or 8 bags of 7-pound ice, we got like 50, 60 pounds of ice in here. I mean, this is nothing new. This is nothing new. But got this handle. Got my knife right there. Slide her in. see how this does. Little walk around this side. This handle, this bar, it's nice. You know, it's grippy. You got these rivets in here that are holding it in. All right, you got these ropes, 75 logo right there. And then you got, yeah, plastic. Okay. I noticed some scratches and some stuff inside, but I don't know how you're gonna get around this at all. Boom. Look at that, baby. Ooh. Good stuff. Good stuff. 10. We counted 10, plus I sacrificed 1 bag. So 9 bags, 9 7-pound bags of ice. I think that's 80, 70, 63 pounds. 63 pounds of ice, but I think that's filled almost to the top. Like, this won't go in there. This will not go in there, obviously. Give this chunk of ice to my dogs. They like ice. They like ice. Get it. Yeah, we got that all set up. We'll close this. Now, if you all insist, I'm not going to do like an official layout. We'll do a whole lineup of everything, of all the Yeti products. But we have these two. Boys, Goose, Olaf, come. We have those. Come over here. Come to the back of the plaid. We have one of these, Desert Tan. Drop that down. Bear with me here, but we have this, which I'm just gonna put right here. Hey, inside, come on. Inside, come. We've got, that's not a Yeti, but there is a Yeti. I think it's I don't think it's a day trip. I forget what this is. I might say it on it somewhere, but lunchbox. Solid item. Look at them, they're obsessed with ice. Hey, inside, come on. Inside, motherfucker, fuck that ice. Get inside. Fuck that ice, yeah, that's right. Keep going. You got that. We have, it's a mess in here, don't mind me. I think we've got like 4 of these. If I open this is where you got a lot of it. This stuff. Cups, tumblers, ramblers, more cups, jugs, or, you know, the cylindrical ones. I think this might be my favorite, especially in the summertime. Matches the ambient lighting right now. That's the layout right there. There is another, if we walk over here, there is another one of these that I just got. That's brand new. That's just came in. We do have a king crab out there, but this is not a Yeti product. This is just a little dump pouch that I have added on to it. But this is a Yeti bag. This thing's pretty fucking cool. It's got a kind of weak hip strap on it, but some molly on this. Real good cushion. It's got a liner in there. The one thing that's cool about this is it's got these two cords. It's kind of hard to do this by myself, and we'll do like a video on this by itself. I just want to highlight it here so you don't disrupt anything else in your bag. If this is closed and you want to get to your drink, you zip up the bottom zipper and boom, you can get to your drink. There's a little drink pouch in there. Really cool. Like this color. It's dark gray, like pretty much everything else. But yeah, that's that. I almost forgot. I may have mentioned this earlier in the video, but those are all Yetis. They actually have the dogs' names on each one, just so we don't get them confused because they're identical. And over here, in an undisclosed location, we have, boom, Yeti dog bag. All the dog stuff goes in there. I forget what the name of that was. And then also, I do remember, got my girl the Panga, I think the 55 or 75, something. That is everything. And that is the 75 cooler, Tundra cooler. Any other questions, comments, concerns, drop them down below. You guys always seem to like the Yeti videos, the unboxings and stuff. Now we just gotta get to the beach and use it, right guys? Oh, come here. right, so anything you want to know about it, drop. I'll have some information down in the description below. I'll also have a listing on this for like Amazon or something, probably, if you want to get it. I would not buy stuff off the Yeti website as of right now, because my experience with the Yeti website is it takes weeks to get it. If you buy it on Amazon, you get it in 2 days. Make sure the price matches the Yeti website price, because if it's on the Yeti store, it should be the same price. They shouldn't be price gouging you for shit. That's all I got. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good one.